Using question words negative. What does he not do? What did he not do? What will he not do? What is he not? What is he not doing? What was he not? What was he not doing? What will he not be? What will he not be doing? What does he not have? What has he not done? What did he not have? What had he not done? What will he not have? What will he not have done? What has he not been? What has he not been doing? What had he not been? What had he not been doing? What will he not have been? What will he not have been doing? What must he not do? What must he not be? What must he not be doing? What must he not have? What must he not have done? What must he not have been? What must he not have been doing? What can he not do? What can he not be? What can he not be doing? What could he not have? What could he not have done? What could he not have been? What could he not have been doing? What may he not do? What may he not be? What may he not be doing? What may he not have? What may he not have done? What may he not have been? What may he not have been doing? Why is he not called? Why was he not called? Why will he not be called? Why is he not being called? Why was he not being called? Why has he not been called? Why had he not been called? Why will he not have been called? Why must he not be called? Why must he not have been called? Why can he not be called? Why could he not have been called? Why may he not be called? Why may he not have been called?